Hi friends, welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Sarah and I'm glad to have you whether you're brand new or you've been with me since the beginning. Speaking of brand new, my ATG gun just came. Amazon dropped it off today. I'm ready to use it. Now, I watched a couple of videos, but I have no skills as far as loading this. Some of my fabulous subscribers have given me a few pointers. This is pretty much an unboxing, except it was in an envelope and I cut it off and left it outside because, you know, we're in a virus. The box itself had been smashed and the stuff had fallen out of it. So maybe not great packaging, but I will share the link because it was the most affordable. And I'll put it in the description below my video and it'll be in my store. So I'm popping it open. I don't know if I'm going to use that. Let's see if I can do it. And some of you can give me pointers later. Set this aside. Okay, find the sticky. Okay, the sticky is on there. So I have to find, okay, there. So the sticky needs to go down as I understand it, like this way, and it's supposed to pop. Gotta get that little thing there. Okay, so it popped and it's stuck there. And then this part gets confusing. This way and this way. Is that what you meant about a 9? Maybe like this is the 9? I think so. Some of my fabulous subscribers gave me pointers, like I said. And then there was something, somebody said something about if you load it right, it won't be noisy and squeaky. I mean, I don't know if I have the skills to do that. I was trying to figure out where on here is the best place to put the tape to line up with the spinny thing. No, that seems good. Okay, then I'll put this right here and it'll stick like you guys said in your videos. And I appreciate my subscribers who gave me pointers about this. We'll see how I do. Then there's supposed to be a little sticky thing. Kind of seems like it's on the wrong side. And then this should roll like this. Yeah, this is, oh, you gotta push the button. It's like a really big version of loading your Hermafix. For those of you who did use Hermadotto and cursed the loading. Now I saw somebody, they kind of loosened this end up to make sure it would work. Oh, don't forget to put this thing back on. It goes down, then it spins. Okay, it seems like it's locked. All right, shut it. Okay, now let's just glue some scratch paper to get started. I do have some cards underneath this. You know I'm not a great big fan of yellow. Okay, I would guess squeeze the trigger, roll it, let go, and pull. Oh, snap. All right, let's try again. Squeeze it, roll. I didn't get it very straight that time. Like, see how part of it, I lost my adhesive? And in my experience, doing that with tape runners gunks them up. There, there. Now, I don't know which way you guys hold it, like this way, but I think it'll work. Let's try. I'm trying to clean off my shelf. I've had my Mind's Eye Splendor in a sort of a kit on the counter for, I don't know, months and months since I made a beginner card series for a bunch of you. I don't know if I can talk and do this at the same time. Okay, it seems like it's working really well. It doesn't make an annoying noise, which many of you complained about. It's a little confusing because this thing is so wide. So I really have to look at where is my adhesive. Oops, I thought that one was actually glued together. It wasn't. See, I have a lot of practice opportunities here. I don't remember how I cut this and how big my margins are supposed to be. I was laying out cards and then Alexa told me that Amazon was on the way and I thought, well, that's good. I won't glue these together. I have paint on the counter. This will be good practice for me. Okay, I kind of love it. I mean, day one, and I'm sure there's times when I won't load it well and it will anger me. But those of you who said buy it, and I mean, I'm all in, $20. That's a pretty killer deal, I think. And I know that some of you said, well, you can use coupons and get them at Joann's on big sales and all that. Well, I'm not going anywhere, so. Okay, look. My card went together nicely. I don't think that I have the option to lift anything up and put it back down. I'm pretty sure I'm committed, right? But many of you said, I'm using a ton of pressure. I don't think you have to push that hard. Many of you said that it is your go-to. I'm gonna have to learn to drive faster. If you wanna put a bunch of cards together, and I could totally see that. I have no idea how big or small I cut this one. I think this one was really tight. These were scraps. Okay, that one's crooked, so I'll just trim the end off. These were scraps, and so there wasn't really a plan necessarily when I made them. Okay, I think the verdict is that I am very happy with my $20. These are not curled in any way. They're nice and stuck, and it wasn't a miserable process. If you're interested, I'll put the link down below. It'll be in my Amazon store, but I'll also put it separate in this video so you don't have to look for it or anything. It is pink. Those of you who watch my channel, you know that pink would not have been my first choice. There were blue ones. They were not Scotch brand. They were also significantly more expensive. I don't think that your ATG gun is the place to buy an off-brand item. In my experience, on your tools and that sort of thing, that is not where you should try and save your money. If you want to save money by not buying a bunch of extra paper or really identifying what craft supplies you want, I think as a paper crafter, don't skimp on your adhesives. Art glitter glue, ATG, get the ATG brand. Some of you buy other refills, and you'll have to let me know if you think that they're as good as the actual Scotch brand, or if you just buy them because maybe you're making like 1 million cards to donate to somebody and you think, okay, I can get through it. Maybe you have to load more, or maybe there's tricks to loading. I think for $20, this was a great plan for me. Maybe others of you have purchased one. I know some people say they have them and they set them aside. Maybe that's because you forgot how to load it, or you got a bad batch of adhesive. I don't know, but I hope that I have good luck with it. I'll make a whole bunch of cards, and I'll keep you posted in my updates videos that I do on the weekends to tell you if I'm actually using it and enjoying it. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.